What is up, guys, and welcome to the most phenomenal. So Adam Saleh was involved in Delta Hoax. I was on a plane and I can't believe that they kicked him out of the plane because they just heard that he speaks another language. Now I feel sorry for him. I'm gonna show you the video. He was in a plane and then he got kicked out of the plane because he just speaks Arabic, his language. So they thought he's a terrorist probably and kicked him out. And he said that it was 2016. So I really can't believe they did that to him. And after that, Delta wrote on their website that 2 customers have been kicked out, and the 20 customers that were on the plane were annoyed by them. So it's really insane. And Adam Saleh has over 2 million subscribers. He has already done a lot of Arabic jokes on a plane in last year in his videos. So I don't know how they would kick him just for speaking Asian language. And his friend was also with him, and he said that it's 2016, and he called the other host plane racist. Now I don't know if he's right, but maybe he did a prank on the plane, so they were must to kick him. So it was probably right, because they thought that he's a terrorist, and the whole flight was disturbed. I think that's really insane. So tell me guys, what do you guys think about that in the comment section. I think that Adam Saleh wasn't right, because he probably tried to do a prank. So I think they were right that they kicked him. So tell me guys, what do you guys think about that in the comment section. Was it right to kick Adam Saleh from the plane? And what would you do guys in this situation? And I will see you guys in the next video.